We are back at SEMA 2023. I am actually in the Mickey Thompson booth right here outside. I'm here with my friend Ben. He's pretty much the expert on all these Mickey Thompson tires. I only have one set of Mickey Thompson tires, so I'm definitely not versed to explain what the heck all these are. So Ben, can you go ahead and take it away from here?
So I want to show you a new product that we have that we're debuting. We actually just debuted it yesterday, but I want to talk to you a little bit about a couple existing products that we have that kind of help develop that product. So this one right here is our Baja Boss MT. We brought this product out in 2019. It's currently available in 32 sizes, and we currently have 3 more sizes in development, 2 42s and a 44. But a lot of neat features with this thing. It's got an asymmetric pattern, so big chunky elements on the outside for stability, twice as many elements on the inboard intermediate strip to help break up noise, help provide additional biting edges, help with all-weather performance. 4-pitch side biter pattern, variable length and depth side biters for off-road traction, nice aggressive look, silica reinforced tread compound, and then the PowerPly XD construction. So PowerPly XD has 2 radial plies, like a standard radial tire, and then it also has 1 bias ply. So the idea with PowerPly XD is if you take an impact to the sidewall, it's going to spread that force to a wider area, so it's going to lessen the likelihood of a puncture. It's also going to help with handling. It's going to react quicker to steering inputs, and it's going to stabilize quicker as well. So going from the Baja Boss MT, let's cruise over this way. So this tire here is the Baja Boss X. So we brought this tire out in 2020, and originally it was pretty much the Baja Boss MT with a competition compound on it. So then over the years, as technology evolved and we continue to learn more, the tire evolved as well. It's actually evolved 4 times since we first brought it out. So it now has a 4-ply construction on it with additional rubber gauge in the sidewall for durability. The compound's evolved 3 times as well to make it, so it's still a sticky Mickey, but it's more cut and chip resistant in really abrasive off-road conditions. So I want to show you this car here really quick. So this is Jeremy Jones' Ultra 4 4800 car. This car won King of the Hammers 2023 in the Everyman Challenge. That's beating out over 150 race cars at King of the Hammers. Started the race on his 37-inch Baja Boss MTs, finished his race on the exact same tires. So Jeremy's West Coast Legends champion, National Legends champion, and also, of course, again, winner of King of the Hammers. So that was on the Baja Boss MT. This tire right here, the Baja Boss XS, is basically a kind of a hybrid of the 2 tires. It utilizes the same proven tread compound of the Baja Boss MT, but it utilizes the 4-ply technology borrowed from the Baja Boss X, as well as the additional rubber gauge in the sidewall to provide more puncture resistance with the tire. It is DOT approved, and it's going to be readily available to the public in sizes 35 12 50 17, 37 12 50 17, and 40 13 50 17. So looking to have this thing available first quarter, hopefully January of 2024, so it's ready for the racing season, and go from there. All right, so over here we have 2 all-terrain hybrid products and essentially RT products, and then we have 2 radial mud products as well. So the all-terrain hybrids, we have the Baja Legend EXP right here, which has proven silica reinforced tread compound, which is really going to help with wet handling, wet braking, cut and chip resistance, as well as tread wear. Speaking of tread wear, it's got a 50,000 mile tread wear warranty on it. It's available today in 41 light truck sizes. You can see here it's got these deep functional side biters on it, 4-pitch pattern. Really nice tire for on-road use as well as some off-road use as well. You go from the Baja Legend EXP over to the Baja Boss AT. When you go to this product, you're getting 150% more rubber volume in the buttress, so the side biters. So you got longer, deeper side biters, so that's going to be great for off-road traction. It's going to be good for added durability, but certainly a more aggressive look. With the Baja Boss AT, you're getting the PowerPly XD construction, so same construction that we have on the Baja Boss MT. So 2 radial plies, 1 bias ply, so again, it's going to help with durability, puncture resistance, and it's also going to help with handling as far as reacting quicker to your inputs and stabilizing quicker. Like the Baja Boss MT, the AT has an asymmetric pattern, so it's not directional, it's asymmetric. So you can cross-rotate it front to back, whatever your vehicle requires. But you have the big chunky elements on the outside for stability, so when you're going into corners, that's where your weight's going. And then on the inboard intermediate strip, you have twice as many elements. So that's going to help break up noise, that's going to help with all-weather performance. Speaking of all-weather performance, Baja Boss AT sizes 1250 and narrower have 3 Peak Mountain Snowflake certification, which isn't a big deal to everybody, but certainly folks in the northern climates, colder climates, they're going to appreciate that. This thing performs very well in the wintertime. Both of which, the great thing about these tires is they both look very aggressive, but they provide a lot of the on-road attributes of a traditional all-terrain. So very popular. And then complementing the Baja Boss MT, From the mud terrain perspective, we have the Baja Legend MTZ. Certainly more of a traditional Mickey Thompson look, symmetric tread pattern. Still has the power ply construction. It's not power ply XD, but it's power ply. Silica reinforced tread compound. Again, it's really going to help with wet handling, wet braking, cut and chip resistance, as well as tread wear. So great product line. It's a styling that we've tweaked it through the years, but we've almost had it available for 2 decades now. So it's been around for a while. And then getting into the really gnarly, nasty stuff, we have the Baja Pro XS and the Baja Pro X. So the Baja Pro X was essentially developed on the Rock Bouncer platform. So yeah, so they're pretty awesome rigs. They're heavy. They make a ton of power, and the things that the racers put them through is it's amazing. So we have this available today in a 43, 14, 50, 17, and we're actually getting ready to bring it out in 6 sizes for side by sides. So a 30, a 32, and a 35. For 14 and 15 inch wheels. So competition compound like the Baja Boss X, not the same compound, but they're both stickies. 3 different tread depths. The base tread depth is 27-30 seconds. Dual decoupling grooves. Ton of cool features with this thing, but it is a bias ply construction. And then the Baja Pro XS is essentially the street legal version of the Baja Pro X. We've increased the tread pitch count, so there's more elements going on in circumference. The voids are a little tighter. Of course, it's only got 1 tread depth instead of 3. But it is still a bias ply construction. So that's the Baja Pro XS, and part of this lineup is this 58-inch size right over here, which is pretty massive. So
it's almost the size of me,
right? So we have this available in a 35, a 38, a 40, 243s, 246s, and this massive 58 here. So that pretty much rounds out the Mickey Thompson light truck and off-road portfolio, and yeah. And we of course we have all these cool drag products over here, but that's not my specialty. So
right. We're gonna have to grab somebody else from Mickey Thompson to
that's
do
right.
that. All right. Well, thank you so much, Ben. I really appreciate it. It's getting late in the day. Everybody's kind of taking off, so I'll let you take off too. It's like all pretty empty now. So let's catch up tomorrow. So I'll see you guys all in the next one.
Excellent. Thank you.